consideration. And that starts with the downtown sub-area plan. So, as in summary, we are updating the downtown sub-area plan for conformance with PSRC centers criteria. The maximum height in the new mixed-use zone, which is the pink area up on the screen here, would be increased to 80 feet, which is consistent with our other centers in the city of Bremerton. No maximum density in that pink new mixed-use zone. We aggregated several other zones in the downtown sub-area plan to create that mixed-use zone. There are added provisions for urban tree requirements and that an increased public open space opportunity along that waterfront overlay, so that as properties develop in the future, they would provide a pedestrian promenade area, one that will one day connect to Evergreen Park. So, updates to the downtown plan since you've seen it last, beyond just basic graphics. We have a PSRC request to update our outreach language. So section 1.5 added some additional language about outreach efforts with the downtown sub-area plan update. There was also a request to note how Naval Base Kitsap outreach was made to them, and that was added to section 2.4. Activity units per acre. So section 5.2 is updated to reflect activity units per acre as a PSRC requirement. And public works were updated for, sections were updated for DRC exhibits 27, 28, and 29. And we removed minimum parking standards throughout the sub-area plan. So previously we had a system where we had a recommended number of parking spaces with planning commission's clear guidance to eliminate parking. We revised those standards to say that there are no minimum parking requirements within the downtown sub-area plan. You'll see that reflected in individual zones. And there was one section, section 7.2.6, that we updated today because there was still mention about those minimum parking standards, and it didn't make sense once we were eliminating those from downtown. So 726 before used to say that if you're rehabbing an existing building, then you're essentially grandfathered into the amount of parking that you have in place. It no longer makes sense with eliminated parking standards.